Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to download and install ComfyUI along with ComfyUI Manager and create amazing images like this. So let's get started. First thing, just Google ComfyUI GitHub. You'll be getting the first link. Just click that, and here if you just scroll down to the end you'll be having this installing and Windows. So we will be having this direct download link. Click that. The download will be getting started. It is about 1.5 GB in size, so just be patient till then. So once it is downloaded, you need to extract this folder. So just right click and select extract files and choose the location where this has to get extracted. And after selecting the desired folder, just click on OK and wait for the files to get extracted. So this is how it looks inside the folder after getting extracted. So now next thing, we need to get the ComfyUI Manager. Just Google ComfyUI Manager GitHub. You'll be getting the first link. Click that and just scroll down. And we will be doing the second installation method. So first it asks us to install Git. Okay. So just click on Git download and click it. We'll be doing it for Windows and the 64-bit setup for me. Yeah, once the Git setup is downloaded, just open it. Yes. And click on next. This is the default location where Git is going to get installed. Click on next. You just click on yes. And these are the things, so make sure that you're checking all the default ones. Don't uncheck it, okay? And click on next. 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 So many next. I'm just going with the default one, and the installation will begin. Yeah, once everything is done, you can just close this, finish. And now just go to command prompt and type git --version. You need to get the git version. If you aren't getting the version, just open environment variables and click on environment variables. You need to go to path, edit, and make sure that you are having this particular command, okay? C program files git cmd. Make sure that you are having this. So that's it. This is for git. And let's go to the next instruction. So we need to download this and we need to put this inside the ComfyUI portable directory. So for this, what you can do is just right click this and click save link as, and now you need to go into the directory where you have extracted ComfyUI. So in my case it is inside this folder, the exact same folder that they have shown in the image also, and just click on save. So if you go here you can see I'm having this install manager. It matches with the image also. Now to install this, just click on this install manager for portable version, double click it. So first thing is, make sure that you have Python also installed on your system. So if you don't have Python, you can just click on the card that is appearing on top. I have done an entire tutorial on how to download and install Python. So now to open ComfyUI, we can run the CPU or the run NVIDIA GPU. So if you don't have NVIDIA GPU, you need to use this. If you're having NVIDIA GPU, you can try this one. And I'll just go with run CPU. And that's it. I'll be getting the ComfyUI interface like this in localhost path, and this is the place where we'll be writing our text prompt, okay? But if I just click on run, we'll be basically getting an error because we don't have any checkpoints or model. So let's see how we can add the stable diffusion model now. So for this, just Google SDXL Hugging Face. You'll be getting the stable diffusion base model. Click this, and here now go to files, and if you scroll down we will be having this safe tensor, okay? This one, just download this. Once the download is complete, just go to your downloads folder, cut this and go to the folder where you have installed ComfyUI. So it's here, and in the ComfyUI folder you need to go to this one, ComfyUI, and you'll be having here models, and inside that checkpoints, just paste it here. After pasting here, go to your website of ComfyUI and just refresh it. And now in the checkpoint, just select this safe tensor of SDXL base. So just click here and you can just select this. And now let me go with the exact same prompt, and I will just run the queue now. Finally, I got the output image over here, and you don't want to download this image manually. So just go to your ComfyUI folder, inside this, and go to output. Here you will be having the image automatically getting downloaded. And since I ran this with the help of my CPU, it took quite a long time. So if you're having a NVIDIA graphics card, just run through this way, because this way is fast compared to the CPU way. So that's the video, guys. I hope you would have found this useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.